Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Here I want to show you again for some maybe new viewers my macro keypad that I did redesign. It has now, well, they're covered by the TPU bag. It has the quick connect sockets for the MX cherry keys, so you can I do put the red ones on here, but you can change them out if you like by just simply taking off these 4 screws, obviously the keycaps, and then you can pull each key out and replace it with your own if you don't like it, if you want maybe clicky ones, and customize your keypad like that. And of course you can customize the keypad itself to anything you like. I also added a second touch sensor, which I'm not using currently in the code, but I did indicate that it also has a touch on that side now. And so this is version Pro 3, and there's a touch sensor on the top where you can switch between 2 layers, and it has obviously volume that you can use for anything other as well, mute. And this is Mark, thank you for your order. This is yours and I will ship it out today. And as I said, the bag is now fully covered, and I have some silicone feet so it's not gonna slip around on your desk. And I do supply the code and all the bitmaps and whatnot, so you can really customize it to anything you like. And yeah, I keep this short. If you're interested, please do check out my description of it and the link to my Tinder store where you can purchase this. And I also wanted to show you something else that I am putting on Kickstarter. There you see my face and my nose, and this is my EnvioNode. It has many features. I won't go into it detail now, but if you're interested in this, it has wireless charging, of course, touch sensors, LED that activates by tilting the device. Obviously you can change it in the code to whatever you like. It has speaker, microphone, you can use it as a web radio, you can convert it to Alexa type home automation system. It has, I should put a logo on here, it has a 24 gigahertz human presence sensor in here. And it has accelerometer that is responsible for this motion. And you can, if you have, I have a code as a web radio where it's in landscape mode, so you could combine these codes and have it flip over and turn the screen to the landscape code. And anyway, if you're interested, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified. And as soon as my Kickstarter campaign goes live, I will put the link to it in the description and make separate videos, of course, and Instagram videos and TikTok videos and whatnot, because I need all your help to be able to get my campaign successfully funded. Yes, funded. And anyway, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Check out my Tinder store. You can subscribe. You can buy me a cup of coffee if you like via Patreon. You can become no, not Patreon, via Tindy, or become a Patreon if you like. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.